Hello, good day. So, your exams are coming, right? Today, we are starting our revision with the first chapter. So, which is your first chapter? The mice that ate iron. Okay, in this chapter, who are the characters? Maniram and Lexman. Who was Maniram and Lexman? Maniram was a merchant, Lexman was his friend. Okay, now when Maniram wanted to go out for a personal matter, he gave his precious iron scales to Lexman to take care of it till he comes back. Now, when when Maniram came back, Lexman lied to him. What did he lie? He told mice ate his iron scales. So did Maniram believe? No, Maniram did not believe. But Maniram pretended like he believed. He asked or he told his friend Lexman that it's okay. Okay? It's okay, maybe he is having a bad luck. And then Maniram asked Lexman whether he can go and take a bath. So he asked Lexman's son to go along with him. After the bath, Maniram took the boy to Maniram's house and locked him there. He came back and told that the hawk swooped down the boy. So, will a hawk swoop down the boy? No. So, Lexman understood that Maniram is lying. So soon, Lexman shouted and called Maniram a liar. After that, they called the Sarpanch. What do you mean by Sarpanch? What do you mean by Sarpanch? Sarpanch means the leaders. A leader or a gathering with the leaders to hear to the problems and solve it. So soon Lexman ran to the Sarpanch, called them and told this. So no one is believing that the hawk took away the boy. So everyone is telling Maniram not to tell lies, tell the truth, where is the boy? So after that, the Sarpanch understood that there is something else in this story. So Maniram is telling, I gave my iron scales to Lexman, but he told the mice ate iron scales. Can a mice eat iron scales? If mice can eat iron scale, then why don't a hawk swoop off the boy? So after that, the Sarpanch understood that the problem started from Lexman itself. After that, they told Maniram that they'll solve this issue now. So Maniram told the Sarpanch and assembled the villagers how his friend has tried to cheat him. After that, the Sarpanch understood that Lexman cheated Maniram and stole his iron scales. They asked him to return it as soon as possible. And Maniram told that Lexman's son is safe at his home. So from this chapter, what do you understand? Lexman was so greedy, and that is why Lexman kept Maniram's scale with him and lied. So after this chapter, you are having tick the correct answers, true or false, and write these question and answers. What you have to do is read your chapter 3 times. After that itself, you will understand how to answer these questions. Please don't learn by heart. If you learn by heart, you will forget it. So understand the chapter and only after that try to answer the questions. So you can do it very well. Then another important thing is grammar. In that, you know that a sentence must start with a capital letter and end with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Okay? A sentence also expresses a complete thought. Here in page number 11, you can see grammar activities. You should go through that also. So for the main thing is read the chapter. If you read the chapter itself, you can answer any questions which is given to you. Is that clear to you? Okay, all the best.